Hi, I'm Kaylee Olson, Administrative Specialist for the Benton County Health Department and member of the Joint Information Center. Benton County is currently at the high risk level. This risk level is based on the number of cases per 100,000 residents and the percentage of positive COVID-19 tests. In order to stay at high risk, it's critical that we keep our case counts low. And with spring break upon us, we have yet another opportunity to practice COVID-safe vacations. Here are some tips for a fun yet safe spring break. If you plan to travel, it's best to drive rather than go by plane or train. Keep your groups small. Stick with your family or your bubble or your quarantine pod. Avoid destinations that have lifted restrictions. And if you're going to gather, stay outside when possible. Additionally, we want to provide you with some information about a recent COVID-19 variant, the B.1.429 variant. This variant was first discovered in California in 2020 and has been in Oregon since January 2021. The B.1.429 variant currently represents 80 to 100% of cases that have been genetically sequenced in Benton County. It is 20% more transmissible than the original strain, meaning it can spread more easily and quickly. While this may sound scary, it's important to note that it is normal for viruses to mutate and that most do no additional harm. The best way to keep yourself safe is to practice general COVID-19 precautions like washing your hands, physical distancing, wearing a face covering, avoiding gatherings, and getting vaccinated once it's your turn. On Friday, March 12th, Governor Kate Brown issued an order requiring all Oregon public schools to offer universal access to hybrid or full in-person learning by the weeks of March 29th for grades K through 5 and April 19th for grades 6 through 12. This is because with proper safety measures in place, there is a low risk of COVID-19 transmission in schools. This can be a stressful time for children and their caregivers who may have challenges with the return to in-person learning. Caregivers can help ease the transition by checking in with kids early and often, and by creating schedules and routines to give kids a sense of normalcy and control. We are pleased to announce that in collaboration with Oregon State University and Samaritan Health Services, Benton County hosted 2 more vaccination clinics yesterday and today, administering over 4,000 doses to our community. We have now updated our vaccine assessment survey to include Phase 1B Group 6 individuals in anticipation of their upcoming eligibility. This group includes high-risk adults aged 45 to 64, food processing workers, pregnant people, people displaced by wildfires, and more. If you believe you are eligible, please complete the survey on our COVID-19 website or call us for assistance over the phone at 541-766-6120. Thank you and have a great weekend.